Welcome all. In this session we are going to discuss about projection of planes. A plane is a two-dimensional object having length and breadth only. Its thickness is always neglected. Various shapes of plane figures are considered such as square, rectangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon, etc. So these are the small examples for the planes: square, pentagon, hexagon, circle, equilateral triangle, and right angle triangle and triangles. Next, let me see the type of planes. Planes may be divided into two main types. There are perpendicular planes and second one is the oblique planes. Perpendicular planes, planes which are perpendicular to any one of the principal planes of the projection are called perpendicular planes. These planes may be inclined or parallel to each other of the principal planes. Various positions of the perpendicular planes are: first one is plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Second, planes perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. And third, plane perpendicular to both HP and VP. And next, fourth one, plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So these planes are called axillary inclined planes. And final, planes perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. So these planes are called axillary vertical planes. Next, the second type, the oblique plane, means the planes which are inclined to both HP and VP are called oblique planes. Next, let me see the first method of this plane, plane perpendicular to the VP and parallel to HP. So now you will see this is a square plane. The square plane is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So when you are watching this plane from the front view, you will be getting a straight line. It will be appear on the VP plane. And you are watching from the top view of this plane, you will be get the true shape of the square. You will be get it on the HP plane. So first you will be draw a XY reference line, and then you will be draw a true shape of the square. True shape of the square will be get it from the top view. So below XY reference line you will be draw a square, and then you will be project the points from there, and you will be get a straight line on the front view. So this is the first method. And next, second method, the plane perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So now you see this plane, the plane is perpendicular to HP. Now the square plane is perpendicular to HP and it is parallel to VP. So when you are watching the plane from the front view, you will be getting a true shape of the square. It will be appear on the VP plane, and from the top view you will be getting a straight line. So in the XY reference line and the above we will be draw a square. That is the true shape of the front view, and then he will be project the lines and you will be get the straight line. So that is a top view of this square plane. And next, in the third method, plane perpendicular to both HP and VP. So now you see this, the plane is both perpendicular to HP and also it's perpendicular to VP. So if you are watching the front view, you will be getting a vertical line, and when you are watching from the top view, you will be get a same vertical line you will be get. So in the XY reference line, and you will be draw a straight line, that is a front view, and on the top view also you will be get a straight vertical line, that is a top view. And next, in the fourth method, plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So now you see this plane, the plane is inclined to HP. So now you see this rectangle plane. The rectangle plane, the surface is inclined to HP and it is perpendicular to VP. So this type of plane, when you are watching from the front view, and in the front view you will be get a inclined line, and in the top view you will be get a reduced true shape you will be get. So first you will be draw a inclined line. So that means when you that is a front view, and in the front view position you will be get a inclined line, and in the top view position you will be get a reduced true shape of this plane. That is our top view. And next method, plane perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. So now you see this plane, the plane it should be inclined to VP. Now the plane surface on that rectangular plane, it is surface, it's inclined to VP and it's perpendicular to HP. So now you know that, so it is inclined to VP, inclination with VP angle of pi, xy reference line. So first you will be draw a top view will be get a inclination pi value. On that line you will be draw a inclined line, then you will be project the points, you will be get the reduced true shape of the figure, you will be get it on the front view. Next we are going to discuss about a problem, projection of planes parallel to the VP. So in the first problem, a square plane of side 30 mm perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. The lamina is 30 in front of VP. Draw its projections. So you see this as square plane. The square plane side is 30 mm and it is perpendicular to HP. The square plane side 30 mm and it is perpendicular to HP and it is parallel to VP. The lamina, that surface of the plane, it is 30 mm in front of VP. So when you are watching from the front view, you will be get the true shape of the square. So first you will be draw a true shape of the square. That means on the above xy reference line, you will be draw a square. Draw a xy reference line. On the above xy reference line, you will be draw a square. The square side is 30 mm. And next you know that when you are watching from the top view, you will be get a straight line. So here you will be locate the point as this is a front view. So the front view point you will be locate as notation as dash, P dash, Q dash, R dash and S dash. Then you will be project all the points up to the below 30 mm distance, because the plane surface it is 30 mm in front of VP. When you are watching from the top view, the straight line it will be up here or below 30 mm distance. So you take 30 mm distance and up to that you have to project the lines and you will be get the top view as a straight line. So there you will be locate the point as PS and here QR. Next, the projection of planes parallel to the VP, the problem number 2. A square plane of side 30 mm is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. The plane is 20 mm in front of VP and lamina is on HP. So now you see this as square plane. The square plane, the side is 30 mm and it is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. The lamina is on HP. The plane is 20 mm in front of VP and the surface of the square plane it is on the HP plane. So in the square plane it is on the HP, it is laying on the HP plane. When you are watching from the front view, you will be get a straight line on the XY reference line, and from the top view you will be get the true shape of the square. So in the XY reference line, first you will be draw a square and this plane it is 20 mm in front of VP. XY reference line, and first you will be draw a square. So that is a true shape of the square plane and it is 20 mm in front of VP. So you take 20 mm distance below XY and you will be draw a square. Our side is 30 mm. Next you will be locate the point here and this is a top view. So you will be locate the point as P, Q, R and S. Then you will be project the line up to the XY reference line. Up to the XY reference line you will be project the point lines and you will be join it, you will be get a straight line, that is a front view of this square plane, because here the lamina it is on HP. So the front view, the straight line, it will be appear on the XY reference line. Next, the problem number 3. A square plane ABCD of side 30 is parallel to HP and 20 away from it. Draw the projection of the plane when two of its sides are parallel to VP and inclined 30 degree to VP. So here the two conditions are given. One is parallel to VP and inclined 30 degree to VP. This is a square plane and here the square plane side is 30 mm and it is parallel to HP and 20 mm away from it. So it is parallel to HP and 20 mm away from it. And first thing is when the two of its sides are parallel to VP. So that is the first condition. The two of its side, so any two of the side of this square plane, it is parallel to VP. Now you see this figure of this square plane. The square plane, any two of its sides. So it is 20 mm above the HP plane and any two of its sides it's parallel to VP. So here AB and CD, these are the two sides, AB and CD, the two sides, it's parallel to VP plane now. So you can draw the 2D diagram, XY reference line, and you will be get the true shape from the top view square. That side is 30 mm, and you will be locate the dimension here, and this is a top view, so you will be locate that small letter ABCD, and next will be project the lines. Before that it is 20 mm above HP, so you take 20 mm above XY reference line and you will be draw a one straight line. From the top view of the square you will be project the lines up to that straight line, and you will be get our front view is a straight line, A dash, D dash and B dash, C dash. And next the problem number 3, second method, it is inclined 30 degree to VP. It is inclined 30 degree to VP. So now you see this figure, that is a square plane, it is inclined 30 degree to VP. So any two of its sides are inclined 30 degree to VP. So that means two sides are there. So A, B and C, D. Any two sides it is inclined 30 degree to VP. So that means AB or CD, the two sides, it is inclined 30 degree to VP now. When you are watching from the top view, you will be get the true shape of the square. It is 30 degree inclined. So the two sides it is 30 degree inclined. So first you will be draw a 30 degree inclination line, that is 30 degree inclination line to VP, and on that 30 degree inclination line you will be draw a square. So now any two of its side is inclined 30 degree to VP. That means A, B or C, D, these two sides it is inclined 30 degree to VP now. And then you know that it is 20 mm above. So you take 20 mm distance above the XY reference line and you will be draw a line. Then you will be project all the points of this square A, and next this is A dash, and from the D you will be projected D dash and B, next C. So you will be get a straight line on this front view. Next problem number 4, an equilateral triangle plane ABC of side 40 has its plane parallel to VP and 20 from it. Draw the projection of the plane when one of its side is perpendicular to HP, second parallel to HP and third inclined to HP at an angle of 45 degree. So first you are going to draw where one of the side is perpendicular to HP. So see this, the plane, principal plane HP and VP, and here this is a triangle. Triangle is having three sides ABC, it's having 40 mm, has its plane parallel to VP. So now you see this, the equilateral triangle plane ABC, it is perpendicular to HP. One of the side is perpendicular to HP now. So that means AB is the one of the side. That AB side it is now perpendicular to HP, and this plane surface is 20 mm from it. So 20 mm from the VP. You will be draw a XY reference line, and from the front view you will be get the true shape. From the front view you will be get the true shape of the equilateral triangle, and any one of the side is perpendicular to HP. So you will be draw a triangle like. So now you know that any one of the side, that means A dash B dash is the one of the side, it is perpendicular to HP now. And next we are going to draw a top view. So the top view it is 20 mm in front of it. So you take 20 mm below XY reference line and you will be draw a one parallel line to XY. Then you will be project all the points up to that line, and you will be get BA, and this is C. A is the invisible corner, so you will be put it on the bracket, and next C, AB and C you just joined it by thick line. So that is a top view of this equilateral triangle plane. And next in the second condition, so any one of the side it's parallel to HP. So you see this figure, and any one of the side it is parallel to HP now. So now you see this figure, that means A and B, so that is the one of the side. That AB side it is now parallel to HP. AB side, it is now parallel to HB. So you know that it is 20 mm in front of the VP, and from the front view we will be get the true shape of the triangle. So the triangle shape we will be draw like that. So one of the side is, that means A dash B dash, it is parallel to the XY reference line. It is parallel to HB. And now you are going to take 20 mm below the XY reference line, and then you will project all the points up to that line, and you will be get the note the intersecting points. Finally you will be joined all the intersecting points, and you will be get the our top view. Next, in the same problem, the third method, incline to HB at an angle 45 degree. One of the side is inclined at HB at an angle of 45 degree. So now you see that in this equilateral triangle, one of the side it is inclined to HB. So now you see this figure condition, one of the side, that means AB is the one of the side. So that AB side, it is inclined 45 degree to HB. AB side is 45 degree to HB now. So this figure we are going to draw now. So draw the XY reference line, and now you know that the true shape of the triangle, you will be get it on the front view on the above XY reference line. So you take 45 degree angle, it is inclined to 45 degree to HB. So you take 45 degree angle and the above XY reference line. On that inclination line you will be draw a same equilateral triangle square, you will be draw it. Then you will be project all the points. Before that it is 20 mm in front of it. So you take 20 mm below the XY reference line, and you will be draw a line parallel to XY. Up to that line you will be extend all the points. You will be get a point A, and that is a point B, and next point C. So finally you will be joined all the points by a very thick line. So that is a top view of a equilateral triangle. Next, problem number 5. A regular pentagonal lamina of 25 mm side has its vertical trace parallel to HB and 20 mm above XY. One of its side is making angle of 25 degree with vertical plane, and the lamina is perpendicular to VP. Draw the projection. In this problem, this is a pentagonal lamina. It's having 25 mm side, and here vertical trace is parallel to HB now, and it is 20 mm above the XY line. That means it is 25 mm above HB. And here another position, one of its side is making an angle of 25 degree with vertical plane. So now you see that, so this same pentagonal lamina, one of the side it's making 25 degree with the vertical plane. So that are the one of the side. So that side it is having 25 degree angle with the VP plane. So it is 20 mm above the HB plane. So now we are going to draw this figure, and first we will be draw XY reference line, and the initial position first we have to draw it, and here it is parallel to HB. So when you are watching from the top view, you will be get the pentagonal lamina image will be appear on the HB plane. So that will be draw it pentagon, and here we will be locate the points. It is having 25 mm side and PQRST. Next, you know that this plane surface is 20 mm above the XY reference line. So you take 20 mm distance, and you will be draw one of the straight line parallel to the XY reference line. Then you will be project all the points up to that line. So that is P dash, and next that is Q dash, and next project the line T. So that is a invisible. So that is a T dash, and next R dash, and this is a S dash, and finally you will be joined all this. You will be get a front view is a straight line, and next you see one of the side is making an angle of 25 degree with the vertical plane. So you know that this is a pentagonal our top view. On the top view, one of the side is having 25 degree with the VP plane. It is inclination with VP 25 degree. That means the pi angle is given 25 degree. So you have to take the inclination below the XY reference line. It's 25 degree angle. On that inclination line, you will be draw a same pentagon. You will be draw it. So first you will be place the side TS, then you will be draw the remaining sides of the pentagon, and locate the points PQR. Now you are going to project all the lines up to the above 25 mm distance, and you will be get the second position of this front view is a straight line. So finally you will be joined all the points by scale, very thickly you joined it, that is a front view straight line. And next, the problem number 6. An equilateral triangle of side 30 mm stands on HP and one of its edge is inclined 50 degree to HP. The lamina is parallel to VP and 20 mm in front of it. Draw its projection. So equilateral triangle, the side is 30 mm. It stands on HP plane. It is standing on the position in the HP plane and one of the edge is inclined 15 degree to HP. One of the edge, it is inclined 50 degree to HP. So when you are watching from the front view, you will be get the true shape of this, and when you are watching from the top view, you will be get a straight line. And next, you know that one of the edge is inclined 50 degree to HP. So you see that figure, and one of the edge, so that means totally 3 edges are there in the equilateral triangle. One of the edge, it's having 15 degree to HP plane. So this is the position now. So when you are watching from the front view, and you will be get the true shape like. And this diagram we are going to draw it now, and you see that when you are watching from the top view, you will be getting a straight line. And we are going to draw a figure now, equilateral triangle, and you will be drawing x-y reference line. And you know that the true shape of the equilateral triangle, you will be get it on the VP plane. So that is our front view because it stands on HP. So you will be get the true shape on the VP plane on the front view, and you will be locate the points here. So this is the front view, P dash, Q dash, R dash, and it is 20 mm in front of it, and you take 20 mm distance and you will be draw a straight line parallel to XY. Then you will be project all the points up to that line, and you will be get the our top view straight line you will be get. Then next, the second position, one of the edge is inclined 15 degree to HP. So any one of the edge of this equilateral triangle, it is 15 degree to HP. So it is a HP inclination theta. So take 15 degree angle on the above XY reference line. Then you will be draw the same triangle. You will be copy paste it here on the 15 degree inclination. Then you will be locate the same points here. Finally, you will be project all the points up to 20 mm below the XY reference line. You will be get the true shape of the straight line is the top view. Next, the problem number 7. A square lamina ABCD of 60 mm side with one of its edge on HP and lamina inclined at an angle 45 degree to HP. Draw the projection. So here square lamina, it's having 60 mm side. One of the edge, it is on HP, and lamina inclined at an angle of 45 degree to HP. Draw the projection. So see the square lamina. So these are the corners A, B, C, D. Totally 4 edges are there. Surface, it is on the HP, that is the initial position. So that will be draw it first, XY reference line, and you will be get the true shape on the HP. So below XY reference line, you will be draw a square. You will be project all the points up to the XY reference line because the lamina, it is on the HP plane. In the initial position, the lamina, it is on the HP plane. You will be project up to the XY reference line. You will be get the front view is a straight line. And next you see the lamina, the surface of the lamina, it is inclined 45 degree to HP. So here the question is, the surface is inclined 45 degree to HP. When the surface is inclined 45 degree to HP, in the initial position you will be assume that the surface is parallel to HP. So that is the first initial position diagram. Next, in the second case, the lamina, it is inclined at a 45 degree to HP. So that we are going to draw now, and you see that figure. Now the surface, it is inclined 45 degree to HP now. So that is a final position, and this we are going to draw now, and it is inclined 45 degree to HP. So that is a theta inclination. So you take 45 degree angle on the above XY reference line, and you will be locate the point here B dash A dash. Same line length you measure it on the initial position of the front view. That means 60 mm line. You will be copy paste it on the 45 degree inclination line. Now the surface is inclined 45 degree. So then you will be project all the points. So from the top you will be draw a projection points. The two intersecting points you noted A1 D1 and B1, this is C1. Finally you will be joined all the points by scale very thickly. So that is the true shape of the our top view when the surface is inclined 45 degree to HP. Next, the problem number 8. A square plate PQRS, edge 25 mm size, is in space with one of its corner on VP. The surface of the plate makes 60 degree with VP and it is perpendicular to HP. So here you know that the surface of the plates make 60 degree with the VP. So first in the initial position you have to assume that the surface of the square, it is parallel to VP. Okay, so surface is inclined 60 degree to VP. In the initial position you have to assume that the surface is parallel to VP now. So you know that from the front view you will be get the true shape. So that you will be draw it first. PQ or S, these are the edges, and in the front view you will be get a true shape, and in the top view you will be get a straight line. And next finally based on the question, surface of the plate makes 60 degree with VP. So that is our question. So you see this figure now. The surface of the lamina, it is inclined 60 degree with the VP plane. So it's having some inclination with the VP. So that is 60 degree now. Okay. So first you will be draw a initial position. Initial position you will be assume that the surface is parallel to VP, and that will be draw it XY reference line. You will be draw a square, you will be draw it. This is a square. You will be, all sides are 25 mm. You draw a square, and next you will be locate the point here P dash Q R dash S dash, and here you know that it is project all the points up to the XY reference line, and you will be locate the point here. So this is a top view as a straight line, and next you know that it is 60 degree inclined to VP. So you take 60 degree angle on the VP inclination pi below XY reference line, on the same 60 degree inclination line you will be copy paste our PR line. Measure the distance from the P to R. That same distance will be draw it on the 60 degree inclination line. Then you will be project all the points, and here of the front view will be projection point. The intersecting point you noted P1 dash R1 dash and S dash. That intersecting point is S1 dash, and this is a Q1 dash. Finally you will be joined all the points, you will be get the true shape of the front view. So when the surface of the plate 60 degree inclination with VP. Next, the problem number 9. A regular hexagonal plate ABCDE of 30 mm side is resting on HP on one of the sides edge with surface of the plate making 45 degree HP and perpendicular to VP. Draw the projection of the plane. So you see the regular hexagonal, and it's having 6 sides. All sides are 30 mm, and here it is the surface of the hexagon. It is making 45 degree with the HP plane. So you know that when the surface is making an angle of 45 degree with the HP means in the initial position you will be assuming that the surface is parallel to HP. So now the surface of the regular hexagon, it is 45 degree to HP now, and one of the side is resting with one of the side. So the two, any one of the two sides will be draw it as perpendicular to the XY reference line. And you know that this is the initial position XY reference line, and you will be draw a hexagon. You will be draw it is resting on HP on one of the edge, on one of the side or edge with surface of the plate making 45 degree with the HP. So next you know that you will be locate the point here A, B, C, D and E, and this is F. Then you will be project all the points up to the XY reference line, and you will be get the our front view straight line you will be get. So that point you noted CF and D and E. Next, the surface of the plate makes an angle 45 degree with the HP. That means theta inclination. So you will be take theta degree angle So now you see the surface of the plate, it makes an angle 45 degree with inclination, and one of the edge it is on the HP plane. One of the edge it is on the HP plane. So take 45 degree inclination angle on the XY reference line, and there you will be locate the point B dash and A dash. So that is the our one of the edge, it is on HP. So you will be started from the XY reference line. B dash A dash will be located on the our meeting point of the XY reference line. Then you will be measure the distance from on the front view the line A dash B dash to D dash E dash length you measure. Same length you will be draw it on the 45 degree inclination line. Then you will be locate the point of C dash F dash and D dash E dash. Finally you will be project all the points, and from the top you will be projection line will be draw it. Intersecting points everything will be noted, A1 B1 and C1 D1 and E1 F1, and you will be joined all the points by scale with neat sketch. By thickly you draw it. So this is the true shape of the top view when the surface of the plate makes an angle 45 degree with the HP.